both the palms on the waist region. This call is now being recorded. Exhale, bend forward. Try to touch your chin to the chest. Inhale, come back. Exhale. Inhale. Slow and steady practice. Try to feel the stretching. Exhale. Inhale. Come to center. Now we'll go for side bending. Exhale. Try to touch your ear to the shoulder. Try to feel the stretching in the left side of the neck. Inhale. Come back. Exhale. Feel the stretching. Inhale. Come back. Again, one more round. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Twisting. Right side twisting. Exhale. Try to twist your whole body. The only neck you need to twist. Feel the stretching. Inhale. Come to center. Exhale. Try to twist to left side. Only your neck portion has to twist, not the body. Inhale. Come back. One more round. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Now we'll go for clockwise and anti-clockwise rotation. Exhale and touch your both chin and chest each other. Now inhale. Slowly rotate clockwise, up rotation. Inhale. Another exhale. Another up rotation. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Feel the touching. Exhale. Now anti-clockwise. Inhale. ವೃತ್ತಾಕಾರದಲ್ಲಿಯೇ ಬರಲಿ. ಎಕ್ಸೇಲ್. ಉಸಿರನ್ನು ಬಿಡುತ್ತಾ ಮುಂದೆ ಬರಲಿ. ಅನದರ್ ರೌಂಡ್. ಇನ್ಹೇಲ್. ಉಸಿರನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಾ ಹಿಂದೆ ಬರಲಿ. ಉಸಿರನ್ನು ಬಿಡುತ್ತಾ ಮುಂದೆ ಬರಲಿ. Feel the stretching. Come to center. Stand on your legs. We'll go for shoulder movement. These are the loosening practices which will enhance your loosens your muscles and joints. Now join your both the legs. Keep your both the palms beside your thighs. You need to stretch your whole body. This is the standing posture. Whenever you are standing in whenever you are in the yoga is nothing but not only the practice. In the your everyday life you need to stand like a parvata. This is called Tadasana. You need to be stand like a firmly. You need to stand. Then only you will get the good voice to talk. Now inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Stretch your both the knees, thighs, and both the hands should be straight and steady. Now inhale slowly. Stretch your whole body. Palms facing outwards. Exhale. Down. Inhale. Up. Feel the stretching in your chest. Lengthen your back. Exhale. Come back. Last round. Inhale. Feel the stretching. Exhale. If you do with stretching, your unwanted fat will be reduced. Now we'll go for relax. When you are stretching more, then you need to relax more. Otherwise, there will be imbalance in the body. Now join your both the legs. Now inhale and raise your both the hands, just shoulder level. Exhale, turn it upwards. Again inhale, ಉಸಿರನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬೆರಳುಗಳನ್ನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಗಲಿಗೆ ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Now we'll go for 3 rotation. Inhale, up. Try to touch your both elbows. Exhale, down. Full circular fashion. ಉಸಿರನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಾ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರಲಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ 2 ಮೊಣಕೈಗಳನ್ನು ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಉಸಿರನ್ನು ಬಿಡುತ್ತಾ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬರಲಿ. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Another round. Inhale, try to stretch fully. Exhale, down. Now anti-clockwise rotation. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Full stretching. ಉಸಿರನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಾ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರಲಿ. ಉಸಿರನ್ನು ಬಿಡುತ್ತಾ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬರಲಿ. Your thighs, these, everything should be straight. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now release. Exhale, inhale and exhale. Come to relaxation. Relax your whole body. Loosen your hands, loosen your thighs. Now we'll go for trunk twisting. Now inhale, raise your both hands just up to shoulder level. Now exhale, turn towards your right side. Try to touch your other hand to the shoulder. Inhale, come back. Exhale. Inhale. Again, one more round. Exhale. Feel the stretching. Inhale, come back. Exhale. Feel the stretching. Inhale, come back. And come to relaxation. Shitila Tadasana. Now we'll go for knee movement. Stand on your both the legs. Again Tadasana. Your hands and thighs and knees should be straight. Stand like a stick. You expand your chest. Now keep your both the palms on the thighs, just in front side. Now palm facing down. Inhale and come to squatting position. ಕುಳಿತುಕೊಳ್ಳುವ ಆಕಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಬನ್ನಿ. Inhale. Now exhale down. Inhale. Sorry, exhale. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Try to be in this posture for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come to standing. Again, one more round. Inhale. Exhale. Down. Come to squatting position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come to standing posture and relax. You need to give importance for the relaxation also, not only the practice. The main thing in the problem, stress arises when we are too much attached to our work. Too much daily working means there will be no relaxation. So our mind will be trained in the like. That's why we will get arthritis problems and other things. They will arise from this main concept of my stress. Now we'll go for foot stretching. You can take the support of wall or just do the practice. Exhale, stretch. Down. Inhale, up. Exhale, stretch. Inhale, up. Exhale, stretch. Inhale, up. Exhale, stretch. Inhale, up. Come back. Come to standing posture. Again, we'll go for clockwise and anti-clockwise rotation. Right leg, right foot. Inhale and lift your right leg. Slowly, half round exhalation, half round inhalation. ಅರ್ಧ ಸುತ್ತು ಉಸಿರನ್ನು ಬಿಡಿ, ಅರ್ಧ ಸುತ್ತು ಉಸಿರನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದು. Make a full circle. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Now anti-clockwise. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And come to relax. Now we'll go for other leg. Exhale and stretch. Inhale and come back up. Exhale, stretch. Inhale up. Exhale down. ಉಸಿರನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಾ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರಲಿ. And relax. Now we'll go for clockwise and anti-clockwise rotation. Again, lift your left leg. Stretch it. Now inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Now anti-clockwise. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Come to Vishranti. These are all practice need to be done with awareness. Just we are concentrating on something, just doing the practice by your body does not help. Our mind has to train. Now slowly keep 2-3 inches apart or shoulder width. Now inhale and raise your both hands just in front of your chest, and we'll go for wrist rotation. Just hold your thumb finger first. Now other finger. Now slowly exhale. You can just do with normal count. 5 to 6 count. Stretch fully. You can do with breathing or without breathing. Now anti-clockwise. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Anti-clockwise. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now just release both the hands and relax. Now we'll go for Ardha Chakrasana. Come to standing for Tadasana. Both your legs, calf muscles, thighs, body should be straight. Hands just beside your thighs. Just observe your body. Close your eyes and observe it. This is called Tadasana. You need to stand like a stick or mountain, which will never shake. You need to put your whole body weight on the both of foot equally. Feel the balance in your right leg and left leg consciously. Now slowly keep your both the palms on the waist region. Now exhale, stretch. Do according to your capacity. Feel the stretching. You need to feel the stretching in your back. Exhale and come back and relax. Come to, we'll go for Padahastasana. Now come to Tadasana. Inhale and stretch your both the hands above your head. Straight, palms facing front, right? Now with the exhalation, come to 90 degree. Again inhale and exhale. ಉಸಿರನ್ನು ಬಿಡುತ್ತಾ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೆಳಗಡೆಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. Try to touch your both the toes. If possible, you can touch your head to the knee. Otherwise, just be in this position only. You can keep your both the palms below your foot. And experience the breathing. Close your eyes and experience the breathing. Just observe your breathing, normal breathing. Your knee should be straight. Now inhale and come back. Come to 90 degree. Again exhale. Again inhale. Come to vertical position. Now with exhalation from the sideways, come back. Exhale. Again inhale and exhale. And come to Vishranti. Shitila Tadasana. Relaxation posture in standing. Loosen your thighs, knees, loosen your hands, fingers. Just observe your breathing. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. We'll chant one round of Omkara. Inhale deeply. Now we'll go for sitting practices, sitting asanas. Try to sit in any comfortable posture. Come to Shitila Dandasana. Legs apart, hands apart. Hang your head backward or front side. Anything is okay. Relax your toes, relax your half muscle. These are the practices for who is affected COVID, who wants slow practice. So these practices will improve general health also. But there are specific practices for obesity, arthritis, and oncology, uh, and many other problems like back pain. There are specific practices are designed for specific problems. I'm teaching only for this COVID-19 shows. Now we'll go for Vakrasana. Join your both the legs. Keep your both the palms beside your thighs. Straighten your back. ಬೆನ್ನು ನೇರವಾಗಿರಲಿ. This is called Dandasana. Whenever you are sitting, your back should be straight. Try to maintain that. Now slowly lift your hand. When you are lifting your uh, hand palms on the thighs, your back should be straight. Try to your back should be straight. That much capability has to come. At one time, one day it will not come. You need to practice Bantwai at least for a month. When you are keeping it freely, you need to be in this position. Whenever you are working, many software professionals, they are working within the chair, with sitting the ergonomic chair in their work during their work. But when now this lockdown has created they to work in home, they are not getting that much comfortable ergonomic chair. So there is a back bending, back problems are increasing, back pain are increasing. To avoid that, you need to follow this step. Now we'll go for Vakrasana. Now inhale. Try to fold your right leg just beside the knee. It should be come to knee. Just come to knee. Now slowly adjust your left hand and slowly right hand you need to adjust and exhale and try to hold your right foot and stretch your body and look at the right shoulder. Try to feel the stretching. If you are not able to hold the right foot, just be in this position only. Close your eyes and observe your breathing. Now exhale, come back. Now again inhale and exhale, release. Come to Vishranti. Loosen your foot, loosen your back, loosen your hand. Now we'll go for Vakrasana on the left side, left hand, left leg. Inhale and fold your left leg. Slowly, same practice, left side. Try to feel the stretching. Feel the stretching. inhale, and with exhalation come to relaxation. Dandasana, then relaxation. Relax your whole body. Now we'll come to dog posture. Today we'll teach a new breathing practice. Come to dog posture. Now just exhale and try to touch your chin to the chest. Inhale and just stretch your neck. Move your head up. Bend your back down. Exhale. Try to touch your chin. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಗದ್ದವನ್ನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎದೆಗೆ ತಗಸಿ ಉಸಿರನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರಲಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬೆನ್ನು ಬಗ್ಗಲಿ. Do this practice 3 times. This is called tiger breathing. Exhale. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. And exhale down. And relax. Relax in this posture only. Now we'll go for Adho Mukha Svanasana. Now come to V posture. It resembles the V posture. Now keep your both the hands and legs on the ground and move it up your back. Come to V posture. Try to touch your heels to the ground. Your heels to touch to the ground. Try it. Otherwise, just leave it and try to touch your chin to the chest. This releases the stress. Straighten your both the knees. Close your eyes. Exhale with exhalation. Come to relaxation posture. Come to Adho Mukha Shashankasana. Asta Prasadita Shashankasana. Come to Vajrasana. Then keep your both the palms on the ground and be in this relaxation. Spread your both hands apart. Just observe your breathing. Try to touch your head to the ground. Now we'll go for Ustrasana, Ardha Ustrasana. Now stand on your both the knees. Now Expand your chest. Now with exhalation, keep your both the palms on the hip buttock, fingers facing down. Now exhale and bend backward according to your capacity. This is very good for constipation. Feel the stretching. So inhale, come to vertical position. Now relax in Vajrasana or any comfortable posture. If you are not able to sit in Vajrasana, now we'll go for Makarasana. Just try to sleep on your stomach. Legs apart, heads one above the other, palms one above the other, and try to sleep in any one side. Just observe your stomach is going up and down. Close your eyes. Now stretch your both the legs and hands above the head. Now we'll go for Bhujangasana. You can do Sulabha Bhujangasana also you can do. Inhale and try to touch your chin to the ground. Keep your both the palms on the ground beside your chest. Now inhale and lift your upper portion of the body. Try to feel the stretching in your middle part, back side. You need to raise up to navel region. Stretch your ankles. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲುಗಳನ್ನು ಪಾದಗಳನ್ನು ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಚ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Your soles should be facing upward. Feel the stretching. Come to relax. Try to touch your chin to the ground. Now we'll go for second round. Inhale, again stretch. You can do Sulabha Bhujangasana also. Take the support of elbows and you can do this practice. Try to stretch your thighs, legs. Just observe your back is stretching. Keep your whole body weight equally distributed on the hands and legs. With exhalation, come down and stretch your whole body. Hands above your head and legs and come to Makarasana and relax. Now we'll go for Shalabhasana. Now keep both the palms beside your thighs. chin touching the ground. ಗದ್ದವು ನೆಲಕ್ಕೆ ತಾಗಿರಲಿ. ಉಸಿರನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಾ ಎರಡು ಕಾಲುಗಳನ್ನು ಮೇಲಕ್ಕೆತ್ತಿ. Inhale and raise your both the legs. And try to press both the palms. ಎರಡು ಕೈಗಳನ್ನು ನೆಲಕ್ಕೆ ಒತ್ತಿ. This is very good for weight management. And relax. Relax in Makarasana. Spread both the legs. Observe your stomach. It is going up and down. Now come to Shavasana. And relax your whole body. Now we'll go for Matsyasana. Sulabha Matsyasana will do. People who is have flexibility of body, they can do Purna Matsyasana. Straighten your both the legs. Hands by the side of the body, facing down. ಕೈಗಳು ನೆಲಕ್ಕೆ ತಾಗಿರಲಿ. Stretch your legs now. And with the help support of elbows, you need to move your chest up by bending your back. Exhale. With the support of elbows, we can do this practice. Your head, middle of the head, and your buttocks, legs should touch the ground. Feel the stretching. Exhale and come to supine position. And relax. Relax your whole body. Just observe your stomach is going up and down. Observe your body, and it is getting relaxing. Inhale deeply. Hold the breath for 5 seconds and exhale. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Last round. Inhale slowly and deeply. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Relax. Now we'll go for Ardha Halasana. Join your both the legs and hands by the side of the body. Inhale and stretch your both the legs. If you have any back pain, you can raise only one leg at a time. Inhale and raise up to 90 degrees. For maintaining straight, you need to press your both the palms on the ground. Exhale down slowly and steadily and relax. Relax your whole body from toes to head. We'll go for QRT, quick relaxation technique. Relax your toes, ankles, calf muscles, knee joints, thighs, buttocks, back. Exhale and suck down the abdomen. Inhale and expand the chest and release. Relax your biceps. Relax your hands, fingers. Relax your neck muscles. Relax your head. Relax your whole body from toes to head. Just observe your body. The stomach is going up and down. Just observe your breathing. Now inhale and expand the chest and exhale slowly and relax. Inhale, expand the chest, exhale and relax. Inhale, expand the chest, exhale and relax. Now inhale, feel the expansion of your chest. Exhale, feel it is getting relaxing. Your lungs are getting relaxing. Inhale, feel the cold air entering your nostrils. Exhale, warm air is coming from your nostrils. ಬಿಸಿ ಗಾಳಿಯ ತಂಪಾದ ಗಾಳಿಯು ಒಳ ಹೋಗುವುದನ್ನು ಗಮನಿಸಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬಿಸಿ ಗಾಳಿಯು ಹೊರ ಹೋಗುವುದನ್ನು ಗಮನಿಸಿ. Inhale, your body is getting lightened. Exhale, your body is getting relaxed. Inhale, your body cells are getting energized. Exhale, your whole body is getting relaxed. Inhale and expand the chest. Exhale. Come to Shavasana. Now slowly chant inhale and deeply. Chant one round of Omkara. Inhale deeply. Feel the resonance and relax. Slowly join your both the legs, hands by the side of the body. Inhale and raise your left arm upward, right arm on the stomach. Slowly fold your right leg and turn towards left side and stretch your whole body and feel the linear awareness and left part of the body. With the help of right hand, come to Shitila Dandasana. Now come to any sitting asana. Now we'll do the Kapalabhati 20 strokes, 2 rounds. You can sit in Padmasana or you can sit in any asana. Your back should be straight. Now we'll do 20 strokes, 1 second, 1 stroke. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly. Relax. Forcefully exhalation. Passively inhalation. Force ಆಗಿ exhalation ಮಾಡಿ automatically inhalation ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Feel your stomach is going up and down. And relax. Slowly, slowly stop the practice. Now we'll go for 30 strokes. See, the stomach is going up and down. Forcefully exhale. Concentrate on your exhalation only. Slowly, slowly stop the practice. Now inhale deeply and stop the breathing for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Do the normal breathing. Now we'll go for Nasika. Adopt Nasika Mudra. We'll go for Nadi Shodhanam Pranayama. Fold your forefinger and middle finger. Close your right nostril with the thumb. Back should be straight. Hands left hand should be on the chin mudra. Forefinger and thumb finger has to touch each other. Tip of them has to touch each other. Now exhale from the left nostril. Inhale from the left nostril. Close your left nostril and exhale from the right nostril. Again inhale from the right nostril. Close your right nostril and exhale from the left nostril. Two more rounds. ಎಡ ಹೊರಳೆಯಿಂದ ನಿಧಾನವಾಗಿ ಉಸಿರನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಎಡ ಹೊರಳೆಯನ್ನು ಮುಚ್ಚಿ ಬಲ ಹೊರಳೆಯಿಂದ ನಿಧಾನವಾಗಿ ಉಸಿರನ್ನು ಬಿಡಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಬಲ ಹೊರಳೆಯಿಂದ ನಿಧಾನವಾಗಿ ಉಸಿರನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಬಲ ಹೊರಳೆಯನ್ನು ಮುಚ್ಚಿ ನಿಧಾನವಾಗಿ ಉಸಿರನ್ನು ಬಿಡಿ ಎಡ ಹೊರಳೆಯಿಂದ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ರೌಂಡ್. Exhale from the left nostril and release. Come to Dhyana Mudra on both the hands. Don't open your eyes. We'll go for sun meditation. Imagine the bright sun residing in your chest region. It is expanding all the brightness in all the directions. It is covering all parts of your body. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎದೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸೂರ್ಯನನ್ನು ಗಮನಿಸಿ. ಆ ಸೂರ್ಯನು ಬೆಳಕನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲ ದಿಕ್ಕುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊರಹೊಮ್ಮಿ ಆ ಬೆಳಕು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣ ದೇಹವನ್ನು ಸೇರಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಆ ದೇಹದಿಂದ ಹೊರಗೆ ಹೋಗುವುದನ್ನು ಗಮನಿಸಿ. That brightness is going beyond your body and spreading all parts of the body, and it is trying to touch the sky. ಆ ಬೆಳಕು ಪ್ರಪಂಚವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಆವರಿಸಿ ಆಕಾಶವನ್ನು ಮುಟ್ಟುತ್ತಿದೆ. It is merging with the sky, and it is merged with the sky. World is full of, universe is full of brightness. Try to imagine ಆ ಬೆಳಕು ಇಡೀ ವಿಶ್ವದಲ್ಲಿ ಹರಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆಯೂ ಬೆಳಕೆ ಕಾಣುತ್ತಿದೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬೆಳಕೆ ಕಾಣುತ್ತಿದೆ. It is merging with the individual self, is merging with the universal self. ಆತ್ಮವು ಪರಮಾತ್ಮನ ಜೊತೆ ಸೇರಿ ಗಮನಿಸಿ. This is yoga. Be in this silence for 10 seconds. Now chant one round of Omkara in this silence. Inhale deeply. Feel the resonance of Omkara. Adopt Namaskara Mudra. We'll chant closing prayer. Chant one round of Omkar again. Om सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ओम शांति शांति शांति. Contemplate the meaning of this prayer. May all become happy and free from illness. May all see what is auspicious. No one suffer. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸಂತೋಷವಾಗಿರಲಿ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಅನಾರೋಗ್ಯದಿಂದ ಮುಕ್ತರಾಗಿ ನಿರೋಗಿಯಾಗಿರಲಿ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದನ್ನೇ ನೋಡಲಿ. ಎಲ್ಲರ ದುಃಖವೂ ನಾಶವಾಗಲಿ. Shanti Shanti. This completes today's practice. If you have any questions, you can discuss with me. On Sunday, there will be a preparatory practice